How I made nearly 3,000 USD of profit by using open interest on a crypto market. Let's break down these two trades. On AVAX, first trade where I made 2,450. On second trade I made 510. Let's cover what was the reasons and how you also can take those trades in the future. First, this AVAX, why I took the trade, because it is one of my strategy. It calls breakout from value, and the most important here, we have below we have quite significant range. Price were in that range for really long period of time, volatility drop, and we have significant rise in open interest slowly. The most important is that open interest rise on slow candles, because sometimes open interest increase too fast. In most cases that open interest will be liquidated. In most cases it will be trapped. And after that we take a trade. Let's cover here on a chart how it looks like. It was exactly here a moment when I took a trade. In that case my stop loss, I use only mathematical stop loss. It was 2.5%, and take profit I kept until this entire range high. Honestly, I could keep my position longer and would make in 2 times more, but still like it's another story. Let's cover a second trade. Before we cover, I remind you that we prepared for you free scalping course that you can use on a crypto market and make money while price rise drop, where I explain all these secrets as example on AVAX and other coins. What you do below this video, there would be a link to our public Telegram bot. You open that link and there would be exact information. Main advantage, you don't fill any form, you immediately will get everything there entirely for free. That's why do it right now, get our free scalping course. Second trade, it was a continuation of this beautiful trend that we took before. Why we did so? Because often when open interest increase, it continue movement. And here what happened, especially on a smaller time frame, I think you can see that open interest started to build up, and once more it started to build up slowly. And often price often do additional way up. After something like that. That's the reason why I took a long here. And after that, honestly, I closed this trade too early because I went to sleep. It was 21st o'clock, but in the end, it would give me my entire take profit was at 35.60. 1,600. As you can see, if I would keep this trade longer, I would make way more money. What a catch here to take such trade in the future. Let's cover it here on TradingView market reply. The most important catch here, it is to take such trade when price create a consolidation. You go to at least 1 hour time frame and you can see that price consolidate here for some period of time. You never take such trade when you have such candles like this one, really fast candles, because you don't know in what case that candle, in some cases that could be a deep pullback. You don't need it. That's why what you do, you wait for candle like this one. You can see that price has created a range for several hours. Here price was from 5 o'clock until 14 o'clock, which is good, like at least 10 hours. And after that, at that range low, you could take beautiful long trade to continue this trend. What's the best stop loss to use in that case? Honestly, I use mathematical stop losses often. On AVAX I use 2.5% stop loss because for me it's based on AVAX volatility. About target, my advice to you, when you take a trade after such series of rise, when we saw it on AVAX, in that case don't be greedy, take 1 to 3, 1 to 4 and get out. And as soon as you see 1 to 3, you immediately move stop loss into break even, because at any moment there could be some significant stop loss hands. That's why like here, if you wouldn't take 1 to 3, risk to reward ratio AVAX could go really dramatically against you. I hope you enjoy our short trade breakdowns. Remind you about free scalping course in the description. And right now I prepared for you full video lesson about what's open interest, difference, how you can use open interest for breakout, for traps, for stop loss hands. It's really full lessons that you need about open interest. Watch it right now.